Shami Kebab Recipe. Welcome to Chef Mariam's website, where you can find a wealth of information and recipes for some of the most delicious Middle Eastern dishes, including Shami Kebab. Chef Mariam is known for her expertise in the kitchen and her passion for creating authentic and delicious dishes that are enjoyed by food lovers everywhere. Shami Kebab is a popular street food in the Middle East, made from minced meat, spices, and herbs. Chef Mariam's Shami Kebab recipe is a true reflection of her passion for food and her commitment to authenticity. Using only the freshest ingredients and traditional spices, Chef Mariam's Shami Kebab is a delicious and satisfying dish that can be enjoyed any time of day. Whether you're looking for a quick and easy snack or a hearty main course, Shami Kebab is sure to satisfy you. This dish is versatile and can be served in a variety of ways, from a snack on the go to a full meal with bread, chutney, and a side salad. Chef Mariam's Shami Kebab is a delicious and satisfying dish that is sure to become a favorite in your kitchen. On Chef Mariam's website, you'll find everything you need to create delicious Middle Eastern dishes in your own kitchen. From tips and techniques to recipes and inspiration, Chef Mariam's website is a great resource for anyone who loves food and wants to learn more about Middle Eastern cuisine. So why wait? Visit Chef Mariam's website today and start exploring the world of Middle Eastern cuisine. Introduction. Shami Kebab is a popular Middle Eastern dish made from minced meat, spices, and herbs. Here are 5 key points about this delicious dish. 1. Origin. Shami Kebab is believed to have originated in the Indian subcontinent and is now popular throughout the Middle East. 2. Ingredients. Shami Kebab is made from minced meat, such as beef or lamb, and a blend of spices and herbs, including cumin, coriander, garam masala, and ginger. 2. The ingredients are combined and shaped into patties or balls, then grilled or fried until golden brown. 3. Versatility. Shami Kebab can be served as a main course, as an appetizer, or as a snack. 3. It is often served with bread, chutney, or a side salad. 4. Preparation. Shami Kebab is a relatively simple dish to prepare, with the minced meat mixture shaped into patties or balls and then grilled or fried until golden brown. 4. Some variations of the dish also include boiled chickpeas or lentils. 5. Popularity. Shami Kebab is a popular dish in the Middle East and is widely enjoyed as a street food or as a main course in restaurants and homes. 5. Its delicious flavor and versatility make it a favorite among food lovers everywhere. Welcome to Chef Mariam's kitchen. If you're a fan of Middle Eastern cuisine, then you're in the right place. Chef Mariam is an expert in creating authentic and delicious dishes that are enjoyed by food lovers everywhere. In this 1,000-word blog, we'll be taking a closer look at one of her signature dishes, Shami Kebab. Shami Kebab is a popular street food in the Middle East, made from minced meat, spices, and herbs. This delicious and versatile dish can be served as a snack or as a full meal, depending on your preference. Chef Mariam's Shami Kebab recipe is a true reflection of her passion for food and her commitment to authenticity. Let's take a closer look at what you'll need to make this delicious dish. Ingredients. 1. 1 lb. 1. Minced beef or lamb. 2. 2 large onions, chopped. 3. 3 cloves garlic, minced. 4. 1-inch ginger, grated. 5. 1 teaspoon cumin powder. 6. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. 7. 1 teaspoon garam masala. 8. Salt to taste. 9. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. 10. 2 tablespoons chopped cilantro. 11. Oil for frying. Instructions. 1. In a large bowl, combine the minced meat, onions, garlic, ginger, cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala, salt, lemon juice, and cilantro. 1. Mix well. 2. Divide the mixture into 10 to 12 portions and shape each portion into a patty or ball. 3. Heat oil in a large frying pan over medium heat. 3. Fry the patties or balls until golden brown on both sides, about 4 to 5 minutes. 4. Serve hot with bread, chutney, or a side salad. This Shami Kebab recipe is just one example of Chef Mariam's commitment to creating authentic and delicious dishes. Whether you're looking for a quick and easy snack or a hearty main course, Shami Kebab is sure to satisfy you. Its delicious flavor and versatility make it a favorite among food lovers everywhere. If you're looking to expand your culinary skills and learn more about Middle Eastern cuisine, be sure to check out Chef Mariam's website. You'll find a wealth of information and inspiration, including recipes, tips and techniques, and more. So why wait? Visit Chef Mariam's website today and start exploring the world of Middle Eastern cuisine. Chef Mariam's special information. As a well-known chef, Mariam is renowned for her expertise in creating authentic Middle Eastern dishes. Her Shami Kebab recipe is no exception, as it reflects her passion for food and her commitment to authenticity. Mariam has a deep love and appreciation for Middle Eastern cuisine, which is evident in all of her dishes. She has dedicated many years to perfecting her craft, experimenting with different ingredients and techniques, and developing her own unique style. One of the things that set Mariam apart from other chefs is her attention to detail. She takes great care to use the right ingredients and spices, to ensure that each dish has its own unique flavor profile. She also pays close attention to presentation, making sure that her dishes are not only delicious but also visually appealing. Another aspect of Mariam's cooking style is her focus on health and wellness. She is committed to using fresh, healthy ingredients, and she pays close attention to portion sizes to help her customers maintain a balanced diet. Overall, Chef Mariam's special information is that she is a talented and experienced chef who is dedicated to creating authentic, delicious, and healthy Middle Eastern dishes. Whether you're looking for a quick and easy snack or a hearty main course, her Shami Kebab recipe is sure to satisfy you. So why not give it a try and taste the difference for yourself?